What adaptation do birds have for flight? A. Gills. B. Horny epidermal scales. C. Four-chambered heart. D. Spindle or boat-shaped body. The correct answer is D. Spindle or boat-shaped body. In what year was the term osmoregulation coined? A. 1902. Born in 1942. Circa 1920. D. 1900. The correct answer is A. 1902. In which month is the experiment for determining the focal length of a convex lens scheduled? A. June. B. July. C. September. D. August. The correct answer is B. July. What is the green pigment essential for photosynthesis? A. Chlorophyll. B. Carotene. C. Anthocyanin. D. Xanthophyll. The correct answer is A. Chlorophyll. Which plant hormone was first discovered in Japan in connection with Bucknell disease? A. Auxin. B. Gibberellin. C. Cytokinin. D. Abscisic acid. The correct answer is B. Gibberellin. Where does the free end of the iron strip rest in the ready switch assembly? A. On the side of the wooden block. B. Just above the first nail without touching it. C. Directly on the first nail. D. Below the first nail. The correct answer is B. Just above the first nail without touching it. What is the medical term for a decrease in the number of erythrocytes? A. Thrombocytopenia. B. Leukopenia. C. Leukocytosis. D. Anemia. The correct answer is D. Anemia. What does refraction of light obey? A. The law of dispersion. B. The law of reflection. C. Snell's law only. D. To laws of refraction. The correct answer is D. To laws of refraction. Which type of nucleic acid is shown within the core of the tobacco mosaic virus, helical, in figure 16.1? A. In RNA. B. Protein. C. DNA. D. Both DNA and RNA. The correct answer is A. RNA. In an electrolytic cell, what material connects the anode and cathode? A. An insulating material. B. A salt bridge. C. A conductor wire. D. A semi-permeable membrane. The correct answer is C. A conductor wire. Besides a meter scale, what other apparatus is needed for suspending weights? A. Voltmeter. B. Stopwatch. C. Thermometer. D. Slotted weights. The correct answer is D. Slotted weights. What do the substances shown to the right of the arrow in a chemical equation represent? A. Products. B. Catalysts. C. Inhibitors. D. Reactants. The correct answer is A. Products. What is the chemical composition of the intine layer of the pollen grain? A. Pectin. B. Suberin. C. Lignin. D. Cellulose. The correct answer is D. Cellulose. What will students be able to differentiate regarding cleaning agents? A. Detergent and acids. B. Alkalis and bases. C. Soap and detergent. D. Soap and solvents. The correct answer is C. Soap and detergent. What is a function of the liver related to red blood cells? A. Produces red blood cells. B. Filters red blood cells. C. Stores red blood cells. D. Destroys red blood cells. The correct answer is D. Destroys red blood cells. Which of the following helps in the movement of our body? A. Organs. B. Blood. C. Muscles. D. Skin. The correct answer is C. Muscles. What is the primary substance that encloses the cytoplasm within a cell? A. Nucleus. B. Mitochondria. C. Endoplasmic reticulum. D. Membrane. The correct answer is D. Membrane. If large interparticle space is characteristic of gas, what is characteristic of solid according to the analogy? A. Compressibility. B. Fluidity. C. High density. D. Small interparticle space. The correct answer is D. Small interparticle space. Where are iron filings most attracted when placed near a magnet? A. Near the center of the magnet. B. Only to the top surface of the magnet. C. Randomly across the magnet's surface. D. Near the ends of the magnet. The correct answer is D. Near the ends of the magnet. What is the final stage that marks the end of adolescence? A. Onset of puberty. B. Full brain development. C. Termination of development. D. Termination of growth. The correct answer is D. Termination of growth. Which blood vessels carry blood to the heart? A. Veins. B. Arteries. C. Capillaries. D. Lymph vessels. The correct answer is A. Veins. What is one advantage mentioned for crop rotation? A. It increases pest infestation. B. It reduces soil fertility. C. It has many advantages. D. It requires less water. The correct answer is C. It has many advantages. Which ingredient is typically found in poultry feed in mashed form? A. Seeds. B. Ground nuts. C. Insects. D. Rice bran. The correct answer is D. Rice bran. What term is used to describe the relationship where plants and animals benefit each other? A. Competition. B. Synergy. C. Predation. D. Parasitism. The correct answer is B. Synergy. If an electrical device requires DC but the supply is AC, what type of device is needed? A. A rectifier. B. A transformer. C. A capacitor. D. An inverter. The correct answer is A. A rectifier. What types of muscle tissue are mentioned? A. Xylem and phloem. B. Skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. C. Bone and cartilage. D. Columnar and ciliate. The correct answer is B. Skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Which London landmark is mentioned as having a famous whispering gallery? A. The Tower of London. B. Westminster Abbey. C. Buckingham Palace. D. St. Paul's Cathedral Church. The correct answer is D. St. Paul's Cathedral Church. Which of the following rays is mentioned as part of Snell's laws of refraction? A. The diffracted ray. B. The reflected ray. C. The incident ray. D. The absorbed ray. The correct answer is C. The incident ray. What concept is described by the statement, directed towards the center of the circular path? A. Linear motion. B. Centripetal force. C. Tangential velocity. D. Rotational inertia. The correct answer is B. Centripetal force. What type of friction is typically less than sliding friction? A. Rolling friction. B. Air resistance. C. Kinetic friction. D. Static friction. The correct answer is A. Rolling friction. How did you score?